Sue Grant from Berthon, and I'm just introducing this video of the Challenge 67 ECOVER X Group 4, the most incredible fast cruising boat, completely rebuilt at Danish Yachts with a carbon rig, teak deck and lovely custom interior, perfect for world cruising. Please just watch on. Thank you. She is a 67-foot challenge yacht built at Devonport in 1991. In 2009, she went to Danish Yachts at Skagen in Denmark for a €2 million refit. Famous as Group 4, the really winning Challenge 67, sailed by Mike Golding, she is a very special Challenge 67, and better still today. This refit meant that the yacht was completely disemboweled. She has a completely new interior, beautiful teak decks, as you can see. She has a new carbon spar, which is a Nordic spar with a lovely Park Avenue boom, you can see there. She's got north sails. The Genoa was new 2020. And we'll just have a look on deck first. She's just been prepared for the season. The rig's been on the ground, all of the rod has been serviced, all of the running rigging is new. She's had a very good tidy up. There are lots of bits and pieces that are new. As you can see, she's got a prodder, she's got a Jenica, Reckman furling on the front. The hydraulic pipes have all been replaced. She's got a Lumar windlass, a stainless steel anchor and chain. This lovely clear deck now. They've taken away all of the busyness. Anderson winches. She's got an Anderson power pack, captive reel for the main sheet. All of the canvas work that you would expect. Rig is now looking very shiny. Look at all that new running rigging. She's been out on trials, performed extremely well. And now this layout works really well for fast cruising. As you can see, she's got a lovely high gloss varnished table, new carbon wheel. The transom now flips down, you can just see that. Of course, that was not the case in her racing days. B&G out here. She's got a max power bow thruster these days. Stop button there. Very easy to handle. Powered Anderson winches. Lovely little stainless steel protectors. Solar array, of course. These owners have loved her. They've had her in the Mediterranean, over into the Caribs, and then back to Berthon for a refit, which includes a new Steyr 230 diesel engine. 2023, the 24 kVA Fisher Panda generator has been rebuilt, and then lots of other jobs have been done. Lovely protected inner cockpit. Challenged boat aficionados will recognise the deck layout to an extent. And so now below, and this is very difficult to recognise because the layout is completely changed. And here is just a little touch of super yacht. She's got burr finish throughout. It's maple. Solid teak floors. Leather upholstery, TVs are new, good headlinings, the lights are all LED, that's all been replaced. And you should have a look at this table. How amazing is that? And that, of course, is around the world against prevailing winds and currents at the front of the fleet. Lovely main saloon, very usable, easy access from the deck. Here is her galley. She's got a Eno 4-burner cooker, Siemens microwave, big sink, that is refrigeration, and she's also got top-load refrigeration as well. Clear work surfaces. All looks just out of the box. She's been very well looked after. And in return, she's taken care of her own as well. And then I have a look at the chart table. She's got Max C PCs running there. She's also got Thrain and Thrain 250. Complete rewire, obviously, that's all brand new. The batteries were replaced 23. And this is a lovely owner's stateroom. Offset double, sofa, lovely vanity. Picture of her as Group 4. Lots of storage. Light, bright and airy. Big hatch above, as you see. Just beautiful joinery, all well maintained. Inevitable mirror on the vanity. Good lighting down below. The boat has plenty of hatches, so she's light in any event. Here is the owner's heads compartment, electric loo, separated shower, lovely teak gratings, all handmade. Wave to Harry, who's doing this walkthrough for us. Absolutely lovely. Very easy to keep clean, of course. And then we walk back, access to the engine room just to your right. And then we walk forward to the guest and crew accommodation. So this is the first guest cabin, large upper and lower berth cabin, lots and lots of space. Of course there are lee cloths on all the boats. She is a challenge yacht after all. Good storage. All the cabins have CDs in them. All looking very, very good. And every cabin has its own heads compartment. And here is the one for the starboard cabin. There is a shower on the right. So this is a very comfortable place. And again, this lovely teak floor. And then what we'll do is we'll have a look at the port cabin. So this is a mirror image, but there is access to the crew accommodation forward of this. Same wide, large berths. Same storage. And then we've got the heads compartment for this cabin here, again with a shower. All exactly the same as the other two heads compartments. And then through the door to the crew accommodation, which is of the same standard as the rest of the yacht. Good area, lots of storage to port, as you can see. And they've also got their own heads compartment, which we'll have a look at in a moment. The joinery is in very good condition. Large deck hatch so that they can access the deck directly if they wish. And then another substantial loo with shower. Very expensive rebuild. She really is like no other challenge yacht on the planet, but of course has all the same capability and that strong hull with protected rudder, which was dropped 23 for service. There is access to the engine also from under the steps, back up past Harry's shoes, into the cockpit, and there we are, ECOVER of Skagen. Very, very special, fast cruising yacht.